Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises both health and performance. We're talking about the Redchef ceramic non-stick cookware set, a 14-piece collection that aims to revolutionize your cooking experience. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about what really sets this set apart: its commitment to healthy cooking. The core of this cookware is its natural ceramic coating. Redchef explicitly states that this coating is free from a whole host of potentially concerning chemicals, including Teflon, PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This is a huge selling point for anyone looking to minimize their exposure to these substances and cook with greater peace of mind. It's reassuring to know that when you're preparing meals for yourself and your family, you're doing so on a surface that prioritizes your well-being. Now, let's break down what you actually get in this 14-piece set. It's quite comprehensive, designed to cover most of your everyday cooking needs. You receive 2 frying pans, a 9.5-inch and an 11-inch, perfect for everything from frying eggs to searing meats. There's also an 11-inch saute pan, which is fantastic for stir-fries, braising, or cooking larger dishes. For your sauces and smaller soups, you'll find 2 saucepans, one being 2.5 quarts. And to round out the pot selection, there's a substantial 5-quart stock pot, ideal for making broths, stews, or boiling pasta. Beyond the pots and pans themselves, the set generously includes 7-inch, 9.5-inch, and 11-inch glass lids. These are not just functional for trapping heat and moisture, but they're also crucial for visibility, allowing you to monitor your cooking without lifting the lid. To complete the package, Redchef includes 2 silicone utensils, which are great for non-stick surfaces, and 4 pot protectors, designed to prevent scratches when stacking your cookware. In terms of performance, Redchef emphasizes the lasting durability of their ceramic coating. They claim exceptional wear resistance and high temperature tolerance. This means the non-stick properties should hold up over time, even with regular use. The die-cast aluminum construction paired with the stainless steel bottom ensures rapid and even heating, which is critical for consistent cooking results. No more hot spots that burn one part of your food while leaving another undercooked. Speaking of the stainless steel bottom, this is a significant feature because it makes this cookware set compatible with all stovetops, including Induction. This versatility is a major plus, as it means you don't have to worry about whether your cookware will work with your current or future stove. The set is also designed to be oven-safe, opening up even more culinary possibilities beyond the stovetop. Cleaning is often a major consideration with any cookware, and Redchef addresses this directly. They state that the set is easy to clean. A simple wipe and rinse with water is often sufficient for light messes. For tougher jobs, it's dishwasher safe. However, they do offer a wise recommendation: for extending the lifespan of the ceramic coating, hand washing is advised. This is a common piece of advice for many non-stick surfaces, and it's good to see them being transparent about it. Let's talk about the ergonomics and safety. The handles are made of stainless steel and are designed to stay cool, providing a comfortable and secure grip. This is important for preventing accidental burns and making it easier to maneuver the pots and pans. The explosion-proof glass lids are also a nice touch, offering added safety by containing splatters and providing clear visibility into your cooking. Now, for the pros and cons. On the positive side, the healthy ceramic coating is a standout feature. The comprehensive 14-piece set offers excellent value and covers a wide range of cooking needs. The induction compatibility and oven-safe design add significant versatility. The even heating and lasting non-stick performance are also major advantages. The stay-cool handles and explosion-proof lids contribute to a safer cooking experience. On the flip side, while hand washing is recommended for longevity, some users might prefer cookware that requires absolutely no special care. The durability of any ceramic coating, no matter how well made, can eventually degrade with constant high-heat cooking or abrasive cleaning, though Redchef does seem to have focused on wear resistance here. It's also worth noting that while it is oven-safe, there are usually temperature limits for cookware, so it's always best to check the specific manufacturer's guidelines. In conclusion, the Redchef ceramic non-stick cookware set appears to be a very strong contender in the market for healthy and versatile cookware. Its commitment to a non-toxic cooking surface, combined with a robust 14-piece collection and solid performance features like even heating and induction compatibility, makes it an attractive option for many home cooks. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with a set that prioritizes both your health and your cooking prowess, this Redchef set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.